Alright, got a little bit more hinge cutting done in this area. Made a nice bed here, I'm hoping. Got to clean out the floor, but looks really nice in here. Got a good workout. Hours worth of hinge cutting. Here's that tree stand at the hilltop. Alright, I got some more cut in here. Thickened it up real good. Got a few beds or bedding areas started. Still want to drop a couple of more. That one there. But if I rake up in this area, I think I'll have some pretty good beds started. So basically just connected this here to the other beddings I did this weekend. Good workout. Yeehaw!